If you transmit 1300 watts of power at 600 volts AC, how much power is lost if the lines have a resistance of 1.7 So this is the most straightforward one, right? Our current, we got to figure out our current power transmitted is IV, right? So 1300 watts is I times 600, right? So 1300 divided by 600 is 2.16. The current we have to use is 2.16666 amps, right? Okay. And then our power lost is I squared R, right? And so it's 2.16 squared times, what's our resistance? 1.7. Okay, I can do this. So square that number times 1.7. 7.98 watts. So the power lost is 7.98 watts. What's the power? All right, sorry.